Welcome, I am Nate, and this is a Pokemon unboxing. So, this here is a Pokemon Zeraora VMAX and V-Star Battle Box. I'm an avid collector. I collect Pokemon cards a lot, and these type of boxes are a great way to collect Pokemon cards. These Zeraora Pokemon boxes go for about $30 to $40. You can easily find them in Walmart, Target, or on Amazon. These boxes, there is one promo Zeraora V. There is a promo Zeraora V Max and Zeraora V Star. There's also a oversized Zeraora V Star card in here as well. So for you collectors, that might be something nice to add to your binders. So in it, there are 4 Pokemon packs and 1 acrylic V-Star marker. Of course, there's always a code card in it as well. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. As I said, there is Zeraora V, V-Star, and V-Max in this box. In it, there are 4 packs. If you may not, there are 10 slots for cards, so there are 10 cards per pack. In each pack, there are 2 rare slots, so there could be the good cards in those slots. And then, if the code card in the back is green, you know you pulled something good. If the code card is white, you know that there isn't really going to be anything of value in them. Okay, let's get to unpacking some of these packs. Let's unbox some of these packs. So in this first pack, it is a Brilliant Stars pack. And it has a white code card. So I expect there to be nothing of great value in this pack. Starting off with a Monferno, Staravia, Vibrava, Corphish, Golett, Sock, Cherubi, Clefairy, Freshwater Set, and Luxray. As I said, there is not really anything of too much value in that pack. As I said, there was only a white code card. Here we have a Lost Origins pack. It has a green code card, so there is a great possibility that there could be a holo or better. So we got Electric Energy, Lost Vacuum, Relicanth, Lickilicky, Goomy, Gligar, Poliwag, Phalanx, Love Disc, Reverse Holo Silcoon, and a Kyurem V. Next up is a Lost Origins Pokemon pack. Again, there is a green code card. Let's go. Steel Energy, Porygon 2, Corus's Experiment, Bronzong, Blipbug, Inkay, Porygon, Roselia, a Clefairy, and then, oh, that is quite interesting. We got 2 cards that were of decent rarity in the last slot. So we got a Centiskorch 4 and a Delphox V. We got the Zeraora, we got the Zeraora V-Star, and Zeraora V-Max. We got the Delphox, the Kyurem, and the Centiskorch Fort. As you can see, the Centiskorch Fort has a pretty nice artwork. Also, the Zeraora V-Star Jumbo card. As you can see, in the Zeraora V-Max and V-Star Battle Box, there are a decent amount of pulls you can get from it. There are also good promos with good artwork that you can get from it as well. There are currently a lot of good boxes that you could buy in the current rotations of Pokemon boxes in stores, but I feel like this is a great one that you can buy, pick up real quick, and unbox. There are good pulls in it, so I would say go ahead and buy one. Thank you. This is Nate, and have a good day.